What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack, and today I got a little fun video for you. We're going to be taking a look at 10 t-shirts that are making $1,000 or more per month on Amazon, and this isn't a hard thing to do or find out, but I figured it'd be fun to take you guys through some niches that are selling really well and specific t-shirts that are doing really well for themselves and what niches they're in. You just take a look at it, and I figured it'd be a fun video for you guys and for me. So with that being said, smash the like button and let's get right into this video. Alright, and the first shirt we're going to be taking a look at is this funny cute bunny wearing glasses, leopard. It's going to be an Easter day, an Easter themed t-shirt, but we're going to take a look at the sales, and it's selling at $17.97. So right now I'm just going to mark that down on my calculator. 17, or we'll do $17.97, then subtract the base cost, which is $13.07. You get $4.90 roughly profit on each shirt sale. I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to go to where their best seller rating is, which is 63,241, so pretty good. I'm going to come over to Jungle Scout right now and I'm going to move my head just so it's not in the way, and then I'm going to do the best seller rank right here in clothing, shoes, and jewelry. I'm going to see what types of sales they're looking at, and per month they're looking at 330 sales. And this is a seasonal shirt, so obviously they're not making this every month, but 330 is pretty darn nice, and we're gonna add that to our profit times 330, and this shirt is making about $1,600 this month roughly. This estimate is somewhat accurate, and even if it's a bit off, it's probably not $600 off. So this shirt is definitely making $1,000 a month, at least this month, and that's the first shirt we're going to be looking at. But now I'm going to try to stick to less seasonal shirts and find some more, shirts that are more evergreen and going to sell all year round. Alright, and the second shirt we're going to be looking at that is most likely making $1,000 a month is a baking shirt, a funny, pun, cook, chef, baker, gift t-shirt. Alright, so it's a pretty simple design, nothing crazy. They don't even have it on black. They're using asphalt as their default product, or they don't have black enabled, so asphalt is their default, and it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty good. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down here, selling $17.99. So we're gonna go back over here to our calculator, do $17.99, subtract the $13.07, and you're gonna get a $4.92 profit. So 2 more cents profit than our last shirt per sale. And I'm gonna scroll down here to the BSR, and we're gonna see 85,000. So pretty good, and that's in kitchen and dining. So this might be a little, a little bit off. It's gonna be a weird one, but nonetheless, we're gonna take it over to Jungle Scout, and we're gonna see it's our last shirt. So our Jungle Scout score is going to be around 240 sales per month, and this is definitely a more evergreen niche. There's people baking all the time, and real quick, let's go over 240 times this times 240, $1,180 per month. So that's pretty good. That is a good selling t-shirt, and these t-shirts alone are making over $1,000 a month. So just imagine what you can do with just some t-shirts that are selling 5 to 10 times a month. You can easily get to this 1,000 mark if you just have a couple of those consistent sellers, which is also the power of Amazon. But nonetheless, let's go into the third t-shirt. Alright, and the next shirt is a feminist woman's. It's going to be a social justice shirt for the month of March, or they put March in their title. I don't know if that's really relevant to the month, but this is a popular shirt, 131 ratings, selling at $19.99. We're going to take a look after we scroll down here. I already have the BSR plugged in, and I'm going to go over to this tab over here. And you're going to see it's making about 240 sales a month at $19.99. It's a pretty hefty profit of $6.92 per sale. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to times this by 240, and we're going to get our profit for a month on this shirt, which is $1,660.80. Pretty good profit. Now it's going to the fourth shirt. I'm going to be using this method of showing you guys the shirts that are selling a lot, because I figured you guys know how I'm getting to these numbers now, so it's easier if I just get to them even quicker. So let's go to the fourth shirt. Alright, the next shirt we're going to be taking a look at is this funny cats kind of computers shirt. It's I work on computers, and it's a cat just sitting on the computer, so it's pretty funny. This shirt's been around for quite a while. I remember seeing it a few months back. It has been selling consistently for many months on end, And yeah, it's a funny shirt with a good BSR, 5-star 93 ratings, so really good stuff there. And I'm going to take a look at the monthly sales. We're sitting at about 210, and with a hefty profit margin on each sale of about $5.91, that's going to come to a monthly total of around $1,200. So once again, keep in mind the niches that we're looking at here. All of these niches and shirts are either funny or there's something people can identify with. So keep that in mind when you're making your shirts. Finding your audience is as simple as finding something that someone would buy because they have an emotional connection to. Don't just put random things on your t-shirt and expect them to sell. The keywords this is ranking for also funny cats. People who like cats and funny cats, obviously they're going to like this shirt. So keep that in mind. The keywords are ranking for should be relevant to your design. But yeah, let's go to the 5th t-shirt, and then we can get on to the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, and 10th, but let's get going. Alright, the next shirt we're going to be looking at is a women's Retire 2021 shirt. It's a funny shirt. A lot of these shirts have been going around. 2021, not my problem anymore. So people who retired in 21 are looking for funny shirts. This is definitely something someone could identify with, and it is selling really good. It has about a BSR above 86,000. I went ahead and calculated their monthly sales. Sitting about 210 right now. Obviously, this is a year-round. This isn't a year-round shirt. It's a yearly shirt, but it's not going to really go anywhere after this year. So 210, $19.99 was their shirt price, meaning they have a profit about $7 per shirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically times this by 210, and you can see they have $1,400 in sales a month, roughly. So another shirt selling over $1,000 a month from a single shirt. Let's go into the 6th shirt now. Alright, so the 6th shirt, another, kind of very similar BSR of 91,000. It's around the same. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Only I Know, Gender Keeper Reveal shirt. So the Gender Keeper Reveal shirts are actually quite popular, a pretty good niche. There's a bit of competition there, but this one is definitely a very bold design, and it looks good. It's unique too. They put a little bit of a twinkle twinkle in there. Literally, and they're selling it for $21.95, which is a crazy profit. Their monthly sales are sitting at about 210, like the other shirts, with $8.88 per shirt. So that's crazy. That's like the type of royalties you see over on Etsy per sale. And what I'm going to do now is times this by 210, and they are making $1,800 a month roughly. So another great shirt, killing it. And let's go on to the 7th shirt of this video. Alright, the next shirt we're going to be looking at is a baseball shirt. It's going to be for, softball life. Gift for mom on here because Mother's Day. They probably recently put that keyword in. But it is a pretty nice looking design. Big, bold, and unique for sure. Game day is definitely their main keywords because these are pretty big competitive keywords that now they're probably ranking for and making a lot of sales for that. They don't have the heftiest profit margin, $15.99. But they are in a good position. Sales rank of 69,000, so really low BSR. And let's go see what that converts to. 300 sales, and I didn't do this ahead of time this time. We're going to do $15.99, subtract the $13.07, and that gives us $2.92 per sale times 300. It's going to be a close one. They're not making $1,000. I'm going to leave this in the video anyways, just to show you guys how much of a difference it can make, just by their sale price. For example, this is a 69,000 BSR versus one of the 100,000 BSRs, making a lot less money, like half the amount of money, just because their sale price is very low. So they could up their sale price. However, they are doing really well for themselves still. They can establish this listing because it is a more evergreen niche. So they might actually not want to change their sale price in that case, so they can continue making sales for years to come and kind of establish their listing, get some reviews, then change their sale price. But yeah, this shirt is selling like crazy, and it's a nice design. So I wouldn't be surprised if it continues selling after Mother's Day too, because they are definitely ranking for Mother's Day, or trying to a little bit right now. But yeah, great stuff, great shirt. Let's go into the 8th shirt of this video. Alright, and the 8th shirt for this video is Eat, Sleep, Anime, Repeat. You've definitely seen this shirt before if you've been on Merch by Amazon, but right here we're going to calculate their monthly sales, at least for the past month, or around what they're making per month right now. They definitely have been lower than 79,000 BSR in the past and probably made more sales than I'm going to estimate. But right now, 79,000 BSR converts to around 240 sales a month, and their listing price was $18.98. So that calculates to about a $5.88 profit. Now we're going to times that by 240, the estimated monthly sales. That gives us $1,400 on this shirt alone, which is a hefty amount of royalties for one shirt. And now let's go to the 9th shirt of the video. Alright, the next shirt we're going to be taking a look at is this vintage black cat lover retro style cat. And yeah, $19.97 hefty profit, and it is an established listing. This listing has been selling for a long time. 450 ratings, that's really good. And right here we're going to scroll down to see their BSR, which is 99,000, a little bit high right now. So our calculation for that is about 180 sales a month. They are making a hefty royalty of $6.90 per shirt. We're going to times that by 180, and I don't know if that's going to get to, okay, it did get to $1,200, so quite a hefty amount of money for a single shirt. And this shirt does have 450 reviews, so it has been selling for quite a while. With that being said, let's go on to our last 10th final shirt for this video. I think I'm at 10 right now, and then we'll be done this video, but stay tuned. This last shirt is going to be very similar to all the other shirts. So this shirt right now, I can tell you it has a 91,000 BSR, meaning it's not making as many sales as the other shirts, but $16.99 also means it probably doesn't have $1,000 a month. But I wanted to show this shirt for the final shirt because I thought it was really funny. I thought it was a great shirt, and honestly, this is something that I could definitely see someone looking at and just buying impulsively because it's really funny. It's kind of unique, and you know, it's simple. It's nothing crazy, but it's bold and it gets the point across, and it's just funny to me. So $16.99, not a huge profit margin there, but decent. And we're gonna go ahead and I scroll right past the BSR, 91,000. I calculated their sales about 210 per month, and over here we're gonna put that in. I believe it was $16.99 for the shirt. Yep, $16.99. Probably like 800 bucks they're making, I'm guessing, because they do have a lower price. Subtract $13.07, and then that equals $3.92. So not a bad royalty, actually pretty good. And then we're gonna times that by 210 sales, $823 a month. Like I said, around 800 bucks. So pretty good, honestly, pretty good. And I just want to put that in there because I thought it was hilarious, and it's a good example for a humorous shirt. You know, people see this, they're not even ranking for anything crazy. They're ranking for, you know, alien, UFO, funny alien, but people are going to see this shirt and it's funny, it's a classic, so they're going to get it. And yeah, that's the 10th and final shirt I wanted to show you guys. It is making around $1,000 a month. That one not quite, but I just wanted to get that video out there. I thought it was a fun video to do. Let me know if you guys want more of this video. Just hit the mic, sorry about that. But yeah, it's been your friend Jack, and with all that being said, keep striving, have a great day, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace.